Hey, what's up, everybody? This is me and Jack Wong, and we have finished our last day of SpeakerHero, our 4-day speaking club with all these beautiful people. And we're just gonna walk around and we're gonna ask them this simple question: how have we made a difference in their life since they met us, or since the past 4 days?
So just hold my hand. Hold my hand. Look
We're
at me.
just gonna hold, don't look at the camera.
Look at me.
Thank you for allowing me to discover my voice, my strength, to discover what I have been buried for so many years, and building up what I need to be, what I want to be in the future. Thanks for giving me the courage, the strength, and knowing that I am capable, I'm able.
Thank you. Look at me.
Thank you, Jack and David, for giving me my voice, for giving me a safe space to express myself, and to finally be able to feel free. Thank you.
Thank you.
Look at me.
Thank you, Jack. Thank you, David, for this, for helping me to set me free and help me to get rid of my fears, my worries, and anxiety, which has been buried in me for a long time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Jenny. Just look at me.
Thank you, David and Jeff, for letting me to find my emotions I bury and able to use the emotion to impact the world. Thank you.
Thank you, Jack and David, that let me know that if I want to connect to people, connect to my audience, or even connect to the world, I need to first be able to connect to my inner voice, my inner emotion. So now I think I can able to better connect to the people and the one that I love. Thank you.
Thank you. Just look at me.
Thank you, David, and also Jack. Yeah, without these 4 days, I would know that what my past is really hurt me a lot, and I knew that my mission is correct. I will continue to help people, especially all those kids who are with a lot of stress. I really don't want them what they have gone through, what I have gone through. Yeah, so thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jack. Thank you, David, for giving me this space to release my emotion. I used to think that I can't feel sad, but after going through the process, I am managed to take out something that I have buried for quite long, which I don't want to feel. But now I'm able to release it. I feel lighter. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. I will look for us. Look at me.
Thank you, Jack. Thank you, David, for this opportunity, for this safe space, this safe environment to feel connected with myself. And I'm so proud to have said that I've broken all my fears, right? And I've been connected to my inner feelings. I can feel myself, and I'll be the speaker hero one day, today. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, David. Thank you, Jack. Before I come here, I already become a speaker and trainer. Last month, you give me a chance to go on stage, 12 June, 100% talking in English. Everybody said I'm done well, but I go to the bathroom and cry to decide to come here. I think I have a thought that I know everything. I think I overqualified. I mean, I know how to be a trainer. I already make money, become a trainer. I come here, I practice, and I can think on my feet. I'm better in my English, and I discovered a thing that I never know, that I'm afraid people will hate me, so I always pay below the line to belong. And I know how much I want to change the world and how much I have to give. I will pass this thing. Thank you. Otherwise, I might not be the speaker anymore. But thank you. This program really changed my life.
Thank you. Oh, yes. Come.
Okay, thank you, Jack and David and everyone else in this room, all the beautiful souls and the crews also, for setting this 4 days environment to be so nice, and then setting us up a stage that can let my voice out. And in these 4 days, I learned how to rebuild my connection with the human beautiful souls. Thank you.
Thank you.
Everyone.
I just want to say thank you, everybody. Thank you for this gift. Thank you for being with us the past 4 days. Thank you for trusting us. And with this piece, we have officially ended SpeakerHero.